Samsung fans, calm yourself down because the leaks suggest the Galaxy S26 Ultra might be more snooze than sensation when it comes to cameras. Though there's a ray of hope in battery. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. According to a leaker, the S26 Ultra's camera lineup could be almost carbon copy identical to last year's Galaxy S25 Ultra, with a 200 megapixel main shooter, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope with 5x optical zoom, and a 12 megapixel front-facing camera. The only upgrade would be a 12 megapixel 3x telephoto lens, replacing the S25 Ultra's 10 megapixel 3x telephoto. In other words, if you already have a Galaxy S25 Ultra, don't expect a huge leap in photo quality unless you want that slightly sharper telephoto action. But there's better news for those who hate waiting: charging. Leaker claimed the S26 Ultra will support 55-watt charging, but here's the twist. It will hit 55-watt only for the first 15% of a full charge, then slow to 45-watt until 70%, with the final stretch presumably even lower. That still beats the S25 Ultra, which barely maintains 45-watt. Samsung might be calling it a major upgrade, and in real-world use, your phone could juice up noticeably faster. Of course, there are conflicting leaks as well, suggesting the telephoto camera megapixels might not change at all, and charging could be marketed as 60-watt, even if real speed shows around 55-watt. February 25 is rumored to be the day Samsung lifts the curtain on the Galaxy S26 series. Until then, fans will have to decide whether the small telephoto boost and faster charging are enough to justify upgrading, or if this Ultra is more ultra underwhelming. Are you waiting for S26 Ultra to drop? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.